One of the most common problems our customers have with LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door openers is when the opener won't close the garage door.
If this is happening to you, it could mean that your garage door sensors are misaligned.
You're probably familiar with these garage door sensors that sit on the bottom of your tracks. These sensors send a signal to each other all the way across, and if that signal gets interrupted, the garage door won't go down. You can see here that this sensor is flashing, which means it's not aligned. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this wing nut, we're going to line it back up, going to tighten it, and now it's solid. It's very important that the lights on both sensors are solid and not flickering.
It's very common for these sensors to get bumped, moved, and even blocked. And when that happens, it's going to make it so your opener won't close your garage door.
Now that we've realigned the sensors, the garage door opener will close the door properly. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.